Tools of the trade?
Party favors. I've been waiting to light this place up, as we Americans say, for a very long time.
Sam, you're American?
Yeah. My father was in the Navy SEALs. I was born when he was stationed in Texas, and then he was relocated back to Deutschland.
Oh, Uncle Sam. I get it.
Yeah. One of the founding fathers, I think.
You might want to look that up.
Forget it. Let's put some candles on this cake. Drive to the oil reservoirs. I'll cover with the 50 cal. Blitzkrieg! What was that? Little boy! Empty your clip. Shit! He's behind cover! I'm hit! I'm hit! On yourself! Motherfucker! Oh, Jesus! I'll make it quick! Help! You're mine! What the fuck was that? Holy shit! It's only a matter of time before we get you! Come on! Stop wasting bullets and hit me! Shoot on the tire! Where's my cover? Oh, jeez! Take out the vehicle! Finally, after all these years, I get to take them to the cleaners! I'll make it quick! Go! Take out the second reservoir! Hey! Get off my fire, Dale! You're off top, boy! You're gonna die screaming! You'll pay! Get ready for the next bomb! There are too many of these reservoirs! Holy crap! Take it easy on you! He's on cover! Operational! Who the fuck taught you to fight, Gandhi? He's on cover! Now! Whoa! Fuck! Have you been doing this long? Time flies when you're having fun! One more! Not going! Not here! Whoa! Out of your element, boy! Ow! Thank you for that! Cover! Grenade! You're mine! An extreme prejudice!
Fire in the hole!
Shit, where's cover? You're going down! Mine! Holy crap! You've been doing this long?
We're good to go!
Time flies when you're having fun! One more!
Man's a machine gun! I am going in! is ours!
We did it.
America, fuck yeah! Now we put the cherry on top and kill Hoyt at the poker game! Don't leave me hanging! Meet me back at Hoyt's compound. Okay, my friend. Are you ready to do this? Or do you need more time? Because once we start this, there's no going back. I have hidden a knife in my boot. Be ready to distract him when I say deal.
Okay, got it.
Ah! Welcome, boys. Come in, come in. Take a seat. 5-card hold'em all right with you? Yeah? Can I offer you anything? Would you like some food? A nut, perhaps?
No.
What a job. Poker. Ask anyone on the street and they'll call it a game of chance. Or talk to Sam here and he'll say it's about bluffing. Weren't you, Sam?
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's not, is it? It's about keeping you playing until the house collects.
I'm gonna
I can do this all day long.
I'll call.
I'll raise you.
Calling.
I'll call.
Check.
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 I check.
Check.
Well, there's more where that came from.
I'm gonna call.
I'm gonna call.
Sorry. House rules. Ah, look at that. We have the same cards. So let's raise the stakes a little, shall we? Foster? Jason Brody? Whatever your name is, it slipped my mind. How stupid do you think I am? We should keep playing. Dealer's on the left, right? Guess he's sitting this one out. So, got your little reunion with Riley. Brought a tear to my eye. I'm rarely moved. I'll admit, I underestimated you. Torturing your own brother. Destroying half my organization. But let the chips fall where they may, right? I forgive you. So, name your price. Everybody has one. Hmm? You're all puppets, and we pull the strings. The system was designed to work that way.
Screw your system.
You know what, Jason? I'm going to go easy on you, since you're a family man. One finger every time you lose. think I'll start with the ring finger. Oh, Jason. Now we'll never be married. You know, you could have joined me. Every kill would have been rewarded with money.
Fuck you!
I take no pleasure in this. Really, I don't.
I don't need 10 fingers to use a knife!
I've been doing this long before you were born, kid.
Bring it on, old man!
Oh, Jason. Now we'll never be married. You know, you could have joined me. Every kill would have been rewarded with money.
Fuck you!
I take no pleasure in this. Really, I don't.
I don't need 10 fingers to use a knife!
I've been doing this long before you were born, kid.
Bring it on, old man!
I'm very disappointed in you, Jason. Now, you haven't checked up on your little brother, Riley.
Where is he?
Don't worry. I sold him to someone very special in Yemen. He likes them young.
I'm gonna kill you!
I have very powerful friends who will hunt you down.
They won't find anything left of you.
You can't win! I hold all the cards!
Then why are you afraid?
Your brother's at the airstrip. Don't want to miss that plane.
I'll delay the flight! To the airstrip now.
Time to roast the pig! Ow! Ah! I'm hanging into combat! One roasted pig coming up!
Someone get to the mortar!
shit! Get cover and stay out of my way! He's mine! He's behind cover! Shoot out the tires!
Where are you? They're taking us. I don't know where. We need your help.
What? I can't hear you!
Now, as fast as you can.
What the fuck? Airstrip's nearby. Be there, Riley.
Shit! I don't need this right now!
Where's Riley Brody? Where is he? Riley must be in one of these buildings. Must be in one of these buildings. Help! Jason! Jason, where are you?
Empty your clip.
That's the guy who killed Hoy. Get him!
Jason! Jason, where are you?
I'm coming for you!
Hey, him in here!
Shit, where's cover? Don't let him get away! He killed Hoy!
Riley must be in one of these buildings. Help! Oh, thank God! I made it.
Oh, thank God! Shit, I didn't know if you were gonna come.
We have to get out of here.
Okay.
Follow me.
I thought I'd never see you again.
Waste him! He's got nowhere to hide!
Gotcha. Is that all you got?
Can you fly a chopper?
No!
You have your pilot license.
Yeah, I got that for a plane!
Well, now's the time to learn.
What? Oh, shit!
Where's my cover? Shit! Jason! Oh, he's gonna die screaming! He's got nowhere to hide!
Oh my God! Oh, we're gonna fucking die, man! This is it, we're gonna die!
Just keep going.
Okay, what? Oh, I don't know what to do with this, man!
Use the force.
Oh, thanks! You wanna try? I think I'm getting the hang of it. Are you okay?
Yeah! Awesome!
You are insane!
They're on the rooftop!
Guys on the bridge! Did you see that? bridge!
Yeah, take that!
No, they've got choppers!
You're doing fine! Keep going! Got that chopper! You're gone!
We barely made it!
You're handling this like a pro!
Yeah, well, I learned from the best.
Keep heading in that direction! The others are waiting for us!
Okay, alright, I can do that. Yeah, okay. Oh, this is so cool!
Wait here!
What happened? Shit.
Carry it from the oven and take it to the table.
Yes?
Where are they? Where are my friends?
I couldn't halt the jungle warriors. I'm sorry. They carried your friends to the temple.
I don't understand. I need to get to the temple. Riley, we have to go, now! Stay close, Riley. Where the hell is everyone? Citra, what have you done with my friends?
I'm glad you returned victorious.
Hey! Where are you taking him?
I'm helping you. Look at you. Big, strong, powerful. Why would you want to go back to what you were? Now, you are perfect. It is my fault. I let you live with all these burdens. The bath purified you, but the cleansing is not complete.
What do you mean?
I love you, Jason. But you do not let me give you all my love. I know how hard this must be. It hurts me to watch you in pain.
Citra.
I only want to help you. To love you for who you are. To worship the man you have become. It will all be over soon. I will lead you onto the dais, and you will be free of your past. And then, I'll be yours.
Citra.
Walk the path of the warrior. Only the strongest survive. With the Rakyat, you are powerful, like those who came before you.
Knives take people away, they don't bring them back.
Lisa?
The warrior you are! I know you shot Valk in the back!
Powerful warrior, you deserve the final tatau. They will all fall at your feet.
And you're carrying all these weapons, and you have all these weird tattoos.
You think you're a warrior because you collected those tattoos on your arm? I'm deleting them, Jason!
I am yours. We all are. This is your island.
You are living in a fantasy world! I'm going to erase all of it!
Complete the path, or all your progress, your tata, everything you have done on this island will be erased. You are ready, warrior. Here is your blade.
No, Jason, please, 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 Jason, no, please.
Jason, why must you leave? You will stop being a warrior, a hero. Your friends, they will move on. Have kids and boring lives. Stay here. The jungle will always be there for you. And you will always be king. With them gone, you never have to leave.
This violence is over. I'm done. No more blood.
Jason, look at me. Stay with me. You don't need any of them. You are powerful on your own. Jason, I love you.
Jason! What is wrong with you? Sister, she saved me. She saved all of us. And you reject her love? Ah!
I love you. Don't leave me.
I'm sorry.
Citra, please. Do not leave me, please. Citra, I am sorry. Citra, please don't leave me.
I've killed so many people, I've lost count. I can't come back from this. I'm a monster. I can feel the anger inside me. But I am still somewhere inside me more than that. Better than that.